Hi guys and dolls, divinedivak here, and I am here to share with you my review of the Novex Brazilian Keratin Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. So this is a hair mask that contains protein. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on this brand, please keep watching. Now, I got this particular brand on sale from Ulta. They were having a sale that I think Ulta at one point was carrying the Novex brand, and they stopped carrying it, and they just kind of like slashed the prices on it. I think they made a, I'm just trying to, because I'm taking this off because I'm trying to see what it says underneath. #1 in Brazil. It says #1 in Brazil. Maybe it didn't sell well in Ulta. They didn't have the publicity. I'm not quite sure why. There's a pH of 3.4. Hair is about 4.5, so it is a little bit low for that. And so those of you who are pH sensitive, this may not be something that you'd be interested in. How to apply, they tell you to, you wash your hair, you apply the deep conditioner, you leave it on. Let's see, it doesn't tell me how long. Apply 15 minutes. Yeah, no, I didn't keep it in for 15 minutes. I always kept it in for longer than that. So this was like my protein conditioner that I would use. I have low porosity hair, 4B low porosity hair, so I usually do a protein treatment once a month. And I would do it more if I saw that felt that my hair was starting to shed a little bit, then I would do it more often. So I really pretty much listen to my hair. And so this is supposed to give shinier hair and smoothness. It has so many different languages on it, so I'm just trying to make sure I'm reading the English portion of it. And I can't, even with my glasses, I can't read what protein is the protein that's in here, but keratin is. I'm assuming keratin's in here because it's a protein, and it's the protein that's saying that it has on the front. But this one has petrolatum. Oh, I did not know that. Petrolatum is the third one, 2, 3, fourth is the fourth ingredient. Wow. Sometimes things hide. I didn't have any issues with it, though I have to say I didn't have any issues with it. Every once in a while I do wash my hair with a sulfate shampoo. I just want to clarify everything that may not have gotten out, or little guys like this that may have found their way into my hair routine. It smells like a beauty supply place. There's nothing in there. I feel that it did give a little kick to my hair. I mean, it's not as, doesn't give as much protein as, let's say, Curl Junkie Repair Me. But I put it in my hair, brush it through, put my hair up, and then I put heat to it. Because I have low porosity hair, I did put a heat cap on. I had the heat cap on for about an hour, and then I went on, and that's what I did with my hair today, and then I went on styling it as I normally do. Would I buy this again? Well, now that I see that it has petrolatum, probably not. I would want to look for something that doesn't have it, but this is going to go into my empties. So that's what I feel about Brazilian Keratin Novex. They have a lot of different brands. In fact, the next brand that I'm going to be using is My Memory Curls, or My Curls Deep Conditioner. But you know what? I got to check and see if it has petrolatum in it, but I'm going to use it anyway because I bought it. And I have a Novex haul that I did, and I will put it up there of the things that I bought. And I bought that directly from Novex because there's no beauty supply stores near me that carry Novex. As I said, Ulta doesn't carry it anymore, so I have to order it online if I want to keep getting it. So this is what the Novex that I had, and this is how I feel about it. Now, let's see, word of the day. The word of the day for today will be mask. Since this is a hair mask, masks. Now these could be masks that we wear, mother mask, wife mask, daughter mask, masks that we wear through our lives. If you made it to the end of this video, I know you like my content, so please click the buttons that says subscribe and the notification bell, because that will let you know when I upload a video. For those of you who have been with me from the beginning, thank you so much. You're the MVP of my heart. And we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. So share this video with your family and friends. Let's get to that milestone so we can get past it. I intend to do some more things and upgrade the channel as I get past that 1,000 subscriber mark. So I will see you in my next video.